Hi, I'm Hope Cohen, and today I'm going to show you how we are going to make the Cento Artichoke Parmesan Croquettes. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ingredients. I've assembled them here, and it's pretty simple. We have eggs. We have very finely chopped artichoke quarters. I have a combination of Parmesan and Pecorino cheeses, some 00 flour, some fresh mint, some salt and pepper. And then what you want to do is you just want to take a bowl and you want to combine all of your ingredients. So I'm just going to beat the egg a little bit. Put the egg in the bowl. I'm going to take the artichokes. So I'm going to take the cheeses and add that right to the bowl. Some salt and pepper. You don't need a lot of salt and pepper. Some 00 flour. The mint. So once I have everything in this bowl, you're just simply going to mix it up. You can see in the bowl. And then what you want to do is you want to cover this and you want to refrigerate it. I say for 3 hours minimum. I like to take a teaspoon and take kind of a heaping teaspoonful of this mixture and shape it into a ball, like a meatball. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for a few minutes while I get the rest of the ingredients together. Okay, in the next step, we're going to be coating these artichoke croquettes with breadcrumbs. And what I have here is I have beaten egg. I have some 00 flour with salt and pepper added to it. And I also have some Cento breadcrumbs. Take your croquette. You want to roll it in the flour, not too much. You don't want it to be gluey and doughy, and excess flour might make it just a little too much coating. So again, the flour is just acting as something for the egg to adhere to. Right into the breadcrumbs. Give it a really nice coating of breadcrumbs. And again, this is just salt and pepper and breadcrumbs. And we'll continue with each one of the balls. So here I have 4 on a plate. I'm gonna put these in the freezer while I heat up the oil and show you the next steps. And I'm going to take 2 of the balls right here on the strainer and I'm going to drop them carefully into the oil. So I'm going to remove them. I'm going to turn off the heat. Put them right on our paper towels. Here are our croquettes. I'm going to take a little bit of sea salt, because fried food always tastes better with a little bit of sea salt. Don't be afraid to try this recipe at home. It's super simple. And don't be afraid to make this ahead of time and freeze your croquettes and then cook them when you're ready to have a little party.